Visit Builderman 116. This is a differential connects adder. If you don't know what a differential is, look it up. Hello, I'm back from a video break due to Hurricane Ian. So, anyways, I'm going to show you this connects adder from 1934. I'm going to show you the connects adder that can add two numbers that can range from 0 to 7 and give you the result. So this is it. I'm going to show you how it works. First I'll reset both reading numbers to 0. Yeah. How we set 0, 2, result. But all 0. By the way, the differential calculates the average of 2 rotations. So that means it calculates one rotation, add them, and divide it by 2. Let's try our first example. 2 plus 2. Now these are both 0, so let's add 2. And go to the other side to add 2. Add 2 to 2. And here's our result. 4. By the way, the green things represent 1s. Let's do another example. 4 plus 3. I'll hold it while I add. Hold this while I add, So 4 just to make sure, plus 3. That equals 7. The result is 7. For the top view, you can see the result. It's between 6 and 8. Halfway between 6 and 8 equals 7. Now one more example. Now let's do 6 plus 6. 6. Hold it 6 and add 6. And what do you get? That's by 12. By the way, I forgot to mention that the white bars, dots, represent 5s. So white dots represent 5s, while the green dots represent 1, what I explained earlier. Like I said earlier, So here's how it works. First there are 8 members in the wheel. I call from 0 to 7. Both of these wheels determine 0 to 7. That is the differential that the average of the 2 rotations or members that add up. So that gets transferred to the blue wheel and goes all the way first to the speed of the yellow wheel. Since this year about half as for every other 2 wheels, the members on the third wheel is double of what the other 2 wheels have. So basically, connect out the other 2 members and then double it to make up for the addition machine. I think that's all I have to say. So you want to try it by yourself, but the exact same way, but you can use a different design than mine. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. So I think that's all for the video I made. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe to support me. See you next time.